Welcome to our channel. If you've recently made a purchase on Amazon and find yourself needing to return an item, don't worry. We've created a stress-free, step-by-step guide to help you through the return process effortlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account. Begin by opening the Amazon website or app and logging into your account. If you're using the app, ensure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to your orders. Once you're logged in, locate the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then select your orders to view all the items you've ordered. Step 3. Find the item you want to return. Scroll through your list of orders to find the item you wish to return. Click on the Return or Replace Items button next to the item. Step 4. Select a reason for the return. A new page will appear, prompting you to select a reason for your return from a drop-down menu. Choose the reason that best describes why you're returning the item, as this helps Amazon improve their services. Step 5. Choose your return method. Next, you'll be presented with different return methods. Depending on the item and your location, options may include drop-off at a designated location, schedule a pickup, or print a shipping label to send it back. Select the method that's most convenient for you. Step 6. Print the return label. If your return method requires a shipping label, click on the option to print it. Follow the instructions provided to ensure your label is printed correctly. Step 7. Package your item. Carefully repackage the item in its original packaging, including any accessories, instruction manuals, and tags. Attach the printed return label securely to the package. Step 8. Ship your return. Drop off your package at the chosen return location or schedule a pickup if that was your selected method. Keep the tracking information as proof of return. Step 9. Track your return. You can track the status of your return by going back to your orders and checking the item's return status. This will allow you to see when Amazon has received your item and processed your return. Step 10. Refund process. Once Amazon receives your returned item, they will process your refund, which usually takes 3 to 5 business days. You'll receive a notification via email once your refund has been issued. Thank you for joining us on this step-by-step guide to returning an Amazon order. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides.